Today we're going to take some notes on the parts of a circle. So first, you should have a highlighter or a marker because we're going to be labeling these circles. So our first word is diameter, and I am going to draw the diameter. So the diameter is the distance across a circle through the center. It's important that it's going through the center of the circle. My picture is not quite exact, but as long as you have the definition, that is fine. We use the letter D to represent the diameter. The diameter, and I write this D, equals 2 times the radius. And so the next thing we're going to get into is what the radius is. And the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. We use the letter R to represent the radius, and just like the diameter is 2 times the radius is half of the diameter. And then our final word for today is circumference. Their circumference is the distance around the edge of the circle. Eventually, we are going to come back to these notes and we are going to add a formula for circumference. But for right now, you just need to know that the circumference, we use the letter C, and is the distance around the edge of the circle.